Welcome to ECCPP. We commit to provide you the best innovative, quality products and professional services with competitive prices. No special tools are required to install this kit. They are CNC machined out of billet aluminum and then anodized black to match your factory suspension. This kit is the fastest, most inexpensive way to raise the rear of your pickup. These spacers are the strongest on the market, and we ensure that you will be satisfied and provide a defects liability period of 1 year. Lift amount does not equal spacer thickness owing to the suspension geometry. Strut spacers use compound ratios to provide lift amount. The real thickness of the rear block is about 25 mm per 1 inch. But it can lift 1 inch finally.